it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with day 15 of May I Scraplift You. Today we are scrap lifting Lisa Cuneo scrapbooking, also known as My Scrapbook Table on her YouTube. And I picked this layout. I loved it and how it was laid out. I see that she used Vicky Booten, which I love. But I'm going to go a little bit different route. I'm also going to be combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style. And I am using up a little bit of this and that. So I have some papers. I don't know what the collection was called because it's down to the bare minimum scraps. I'm also using a piece of paper scrap from my Simple Vintage Life in Bloom by Simple Stories collection. And then I'm going to use my little strawberry bear that I created. And so I went digging. And if you watched another video, when I got my bows, I wanted to use it with this. But the bow I picked, I could not make it work. So I did find this bow that I really like. This was created by Alicia in the bow swap, and there is a video of what I sent and what she sent me. And I found these frames in my stash, and they are frame ups from My Mind's Eye from 2005. Like, that is old school, y'all. And then I have some flowers. I have another piece of ephemera over here, and I fussy cut it. And then I found this title in my stash, made by Mallory. And then I cut out this on my Cricut to go with it and make it say Berry Sweet for the title. I have some flowers that are, I think, the Hobby Lobby version. And let's just get started and put this together. I was also going to say that I am using photos from the Strawberry Festival Parade. I actually got to take all 3 grand girls with me. First time ever. And it was an adventure, and I realized I'm way too old to have little kids. So thankfully I'm a nana and not a mama to them, because I could not keep up with a 3, a 5, and a 7-year-old. Like, it's just a lot. But I had so much fun. Vivian absolutely loved her. I mean, she loved it. And we wondered how she would do with the crowd of people. And she did great. Every time she heard music from the bands or from the sidelines, she was dancing. So she was, you know, dancing with Lainey, and they were dancing around, and it was super, super sweet. And I'm glad I got to take them. So, let's work on putting this together. Alright, so I just wanted to break in for a minute and say I'm kind of doing my design. Mine's a lot. Lisa has lots of white space or black space, as the case may be. But she has these little clusters on each corner, and then kind of a block on the inside, and then her title. So I'm doing the same thing. Mine's just a little fuller. Because she used, it looks like, smaller strips, and I'm using bigger, and I wanted them to match since I didn't have a big cluster to go up here at the top like she did. So that's kind of where I'm at. Also, I want to apologize. I am still struggling with allergies and my voice and all those things. So that is why I've been speeding up all my videos. So if you don't like the sped up version, I'm sorry. I apologize. But maybe you guys do like them. So let me know below if you like the faster version or if you like to just hear me ramble. Okay, so I have this cut apart, and I'm not going to actually use it for this, but I felt like this needed just a little something more down here to, like, you know, give it some pizzazz. So I'm just going to put this on it, and it adds a whole nother layer, I feel like, since she had so many clusters. So that's what I'm going to do with that. Alright, so that is going to be that layout. I can do a little bit of journaling right here. And I absolutely love it. It's super simple, just using pre-made elements, but I feel like it has a lot of impact. Definitely go over and check out Lisa at my scrapbook table. She is at 687 subscribers, and I know that she would love to hit that 1,000 mark this year. So, go over and check her out. Definitely check out all the others playing along also with How to Kill a Kit with Style and see what they're doing with their kits this month. So, I hope that you guys enjoyed this and that it inspired you. And until next time, bye y'all.